Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the settings, then go to the display section, then wallpaper, and then you have to select if you want to set one of the pre-installed on your device wallpapers, like one of these super stylish minimalistic wallpapers, like I'm gonna puke from them. But I can set another wallpaper, fortunately. So I'll just gonna select this one. Then you tap set wallpaper, and then just select lock screen. And as you can see right now, I have like my normal wallpaper on my home screen, and I have another one on the lock screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.